Friends, good evening. I'd like to bring you an information about a company called Aarvi Encon Ltd. Aarvi Encon Ltd is a manpower supplier company. It has got a revised order for 186 crores for manpower supply services for a contract period of 1 year. The contract has been extended from 27th of January this year to 31st of December 2025. This is from a multinational company called EPCM. So before we go further into any financial and technical details of the company, we'll just quickly go through uh, some information. This is the logo of the company. This is some screenshots of what the company is into. So since this is a manpower supplier company, it sources in technical manpower or people with technical skills for various large industries. So this is an office that they have in Oman. Uh, this is another overseas office that they have in Indonesia. This is an advert that they've put on LinkedIn for engineer officer, safety engineer officer. This is something related to uh, project refinery. You can see it's a petro company, oil and gas industry. Another advert for oil and gas industry as well. Another advert for another oil and gas industry again. Okay, so now let us go into some details about this company. Yep, this is the current price of the stock today. It's down 2%. This is the market cap, 176 crores. This is an approximate rough price of 119. It has a high of 184 and a low of 113. Stock P 17.3. Book value is 80, so the price is trading at 1.5 times its book value. Return on capital employed is 11%. Uh, this is the price graph or chart for the last 5 years. You can clearly see that the stock was trading at about 220 rupees just, and it's going down to about 2020. I'll quickly check the date for you. Can't see the date here. Yeah, so it was 1st April 2020. And moving on, company has a healthy payout dividend of 23%. It's in the range of 20 to 24%. Tax rate seems low. Low return on equity since the last 3 years. Earnings include another item of income which is worth 3.46 crores. PE of Sagility at 98. PE of International Gemological Company 67. It's a short form is IGIL. Rights is 32. So after that you have return on capital employed. You can see rights has 25%. Aarvi Encon is almost 12%. All the other companies have a very low return. So IGIL has return on equity 98%. So this is something worth investigating and further deep diving into the stock to understand how it is performing. So this is a bit about the contract agreement that has been signed by the company. Details of what exactly the company does has not been disclosed, but It's one of the leading multinational companies. We went through the stock price, we went through the market capital, we went through the book price. So you can see stock is down 10% in the last 30 days, overall 16% down over the last 6 months. Peer companies are RITES, GMR Airports, Agility India, OneSource Specialty Pharma, and International Gemological Institute. So, as I said, IGIL is something that you can look into. It's showing us a great return on the capital employed. Uh, yeah, you can also look at OneSource Specialty Pharma to see what are the growth prospects of this company compared to the peers in the market. Reserves have grown from 62 to 102 crores in 4 years. Promoter holding is 73.5%, public holding 26.5%. Debtor days have improved to 75 in the last since the last 2 years, which is very good. We've already gone through. Revenue has been consistent. No growth for the company. Order book is about 650 crores to be executed over 2 years, fairly consistent in revenue, a positive outlook of 30% growth in the next 2 to 3 years. Incorporated in 1987, Aarvi is India's leading technical staffing company which specializes in providing expert staffing engineering solutions. So, at least for the next 2 years, you can see that there is consistent growth and order book that they already have. So, we need to keep a check on the quarterly results of the company to see if they are able to maintain the same kind of revenue and see how the growth of the company develops. So keep a check on the order book and also at the same time keep a check on the sales revenue. If the revenues grow and the order book also grows at the same time, the stock would definitely rally and it would be a good fast rally you will be able to see. Uh, at the moment, because we have a lot of volatility in the world market with regards to uh, employee manpower hiring, possibly in the Western countries. The focus should be on the Eastern countries and the domestic market for large multinational companies in India and the large scale refineries that we have. So that is something that we need to look at. So specialty in providing manpower from 15 days to few months, 8 lakh resume database and a referee based program in place, deputation of technical staffing, project management, construction supervision, inspection services, pre-commissioning and commissioning assistance and OEM services, cement engineering infrastructure, metro, petrochemicals, railways, telecom, CGD, EPC, IT, monorail, pipeline, refinery, CNG, fertilizer, metals and minerals, oil and gas, power, renewable energy. So about 30,000 personnel deployed uh, since its inception. Company deployed 5,500 professionals in the 20 first quarter 2025. So, which is something that is worth, it seems to be a good figure already. So, revenue went up 84%, manpower outsourcing O&M 15%, oil and gas 49, engineering 29, others 8% each. Subsidiaries, well, these are a little bit of information, good to know information. So, guys, thank you very much for watching the video. Like, share, comment. Please share with friends, family, colleagues, associates. Thank you. If you have any comments, please share them so that I can help can help me improve the content and the knowledge content that I investigate and bring across. Thank you. Have a great day.